Rejection, it's like injection for success. In a village, one person lost all his property and came to the city with poverty. And he wanted to lead his life, so he started attending an interview for a watchman job. He got selected, but he was not appointed because he was not knowing how to sign. So he took some loan from his friend and he started a hotel. Today he is the richest person in the city, having 3 or 4 hotels. Once a delivery agent came to his home to get a sign for his form, but he replied that, "I don't know how to sign." He was mesmerized and asked him, "How could you able to do big without knowing how to sign?" He was replied with a smile, "If I know how to sign, I would have become the watchman, not the richest person in the city." Yes, think what if Steve Jobs settled for a real job? There is no Apple today. What if Narayan Murthy got a job in Wipro? There is no Infosys today. Rejection are the injection for success.